Okay guys, so I had a little idea. I was messing around with this old dial. It's got a scratch on it right there. But I am making a left-handed watch. So I need the date dial to go from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Now, I could buy one that actually has this window at the 9 o'clock, but it's very, very limited. So I'm thinking to myself, why not flip this around, take these guys off and switch them around. That way I can use any dial that I wanted to. So I actually succeeded in doing it, but I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So basically what I did is I unglued these indices and I took them off. So basically what I want is this to be around to the 9 o'clock like this, which brings the 12 o'clock indice at 6 o'clock. So I need to take that off and switch these over. So what I've actually done is I actually have taken them off, as you can see, ready to go. But I wanted to show you while I'm doing it, again, I'm just messing around because this is a dial that has got a scratch on it. I want to show you how I did it. So basically, excuse the tape because I'm trying to keep this in focus for you guys. Basically, I'm just going to turn this over. Here's one of the indices I took out right here. Very delicate. So as you can see on here, these are actually glued in. And to remove the glue, all you have to do is use a cotton swab and some acetone. Well, what is acetone? That's just nail varnish remover that you can get from any drugstore for next to nothing. So basically what I do here is I take my cotton swab and I dip it in acetone. Excuse the background noise, guys. I've got some neighbors in the neighborhood. So let's take this one out, for instance. So I'm just going to rub this over the indice, the back of the indice, and I'm going to remove all of the glue. So like so, get it all out like this, and then I'm going to take a pin, just a regular darning needle you guys call it, but yeah, anyway, and I'm just going to push it like that, and it's gone already. So if I flip this over for you guys, real gentle, put it back, you can see that I've taken that indice, or should I say the hour marker, off, and it comes right off just like that, and the hole's nice and clean. What I would do now is just use some isopropyl alcohol just to clean this up around here to make it all nice and clean. And then all I do is I just switch these around, and to glue these back in, I don't have it with me right now so I can't show you. I'm just going to use some UV glue. I'm going to pop this thing back in the hole, you know, blah blah blah, turn it over, put some UV glue on the other side, give it a couple of seconds of UV glue, and you are done. Guys, I hope you like this little video. Very informative. I could never find any information on YouTube or on the internet about this, so I thought I would do it while I'm doing it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.